In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can highlight a note on your Mac computer. So we're going to go to the Notes app right like this, and you can see I have a note added in here with just a bunch of text, not much going on. But in order to add a highlight to specific area, to specific words or sentences, all you have to do is to highlight it like this. For example, I'm going to highlight the whole thing. And you need to then click on the AA button at the top of the note window. So this is for the text formatting. So when you click on the AA, which says choose a style to apply to the text, you can see that I can change it from the title to the heading, and I can make it bold or something. But there is also this little color option, which you can click on and actually choose the highlight color. There are 5 to pick. So for example, I'm going to click on a blue. And this is what it looks like now. The text is highlighted. It's in a bright blue color, and there is also like a highlight behind it. So that's how it works. Obviously, you can apply it to just some areas of the text. You can obviously uncheck it for others, and you can see this is how you can keep only the desired part highlighted. So obviously it works for other parts of the text. So even if you have a smaller one, for example, this word, I can highlight it like this, click on it, and choose, for example, the pink highlight like that. And that's how it is. As you can see, that's how it works. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to make it work on your device as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.